Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Twilio SMS integration with Odoo in BrowseInfo. The app enables businesses to send SMS directly from Odoo using Twilio powerful platform with easy setup via account SID, authentication token, and phone number. User can send personalized or template-based messages to individual or groups. Feature like SMS scheduling, phone number validation, and automatic status tracking ensure smooth, reliable communication, ideal for marketing, alert, and customer engagement. So, first of all, we will go into the settings. Here you can find a Twilio configuration option. Click on that and here you will find the Twilio configuration. Here add your account SID, your authentication token, your phone number and two phone number. And for just connection testing, you need to enter a message. Click on the test connection and you can see your connection is successful. You will receive a message on two phone number of message hello. Now we will go into the Twilio module and in here you can see I have created one SMS. Here you can see the subject is 10% off on selected clothes. The recipient type is individual. You can select any one of them. Select your partner. I have selected Azure Interior. Enter your message type. I have selected custom message in here. Enter your custom message. I have added one custom message which you can see in here. Now, after all of this, you need to click on the send SMS button. Click on that and you can see your message is sent. And to check that, you will go into the Twilio SMS. Under that you will find the SMS history. Open that and here you can see a message is sent to Azure Interior. On this phone number, this message is sent on this date and the status is this. You can find everything in here. After that, under configuration, we will go into the SMS templates. Open that and here you can see I have created one template named membership renewal. Now enter your template message in here as I have added, dear member, renew your membership now and receive exclusive offers. After this again we will go into the SMS here and here also I have created one more SMS on membership renewal. Here you can see in recipient type I have selected multiple. After that you can see I have selected multiple partner under that. And in here I have selected template as my message type. Select your template. In here I have selected membership renewal. Now here you need to add the scheduled date and time. Here you can see I have selected 3 o'clock and present date. Now when I click on schedule SMS here, when I click on that I will get a validation saying scheduled time must be in future. So here you can see the time which is past 3 o'clock. So we will just select 4 as our time. Now if you click on schedule SMS, you can see the state of this SMS will change to schedule. Now not only from here you can see the schedule SMS and time. And not only from here we will go into the settings. Under technical, we will find a menu for schedule action. Open that and in here you will find a cron named Twilio send scheduled SMS. From here you can schedule your SMS sending. Now click on run manually and now we will go into the Twilio again. Here you can see the membership renewal SMS is in sent state. And to confirm that, we will go into the SMS history. Here you can see one message to Azure and the other is to Deco is sent. You can see the message in here. You can see every little detail. You can also see the messages sent to the Deco Addict also. Now under configuration only, we will find a menu for SMS group. Open that and here I have already created one group in the name of star 1150 fitness. Here add your group members. I have added Azure and Deco as my group members. Now again we will go into the Twilio SMS, and here again I have created one SMS. Welcome to Star 11 Fitness. The recipient type will be group. Select your group in here which we just created, and select your message type. You can either select custom message or template. Enter your custom message. I have added welcome Star 11 Fitness. You can add your scheduled date and time if you want. After this, click on send SMS, and you can see the SMS is sent to the group. Now to check that, again we will go into the SMS history, and here you can see Azure and Deco will receive a message for welcome Star 11 Fitness. You can see both the recipients and the messages. After this, we will go into the contacts. Here you can see the contacts module. Open that, and here you can see all the contacts. Here I will be opening Nicole as my contact, and in here you will find a smart button named send SMS. Open that and a wizard will be open. Here you can see the partner, the message type which you can change if you want, and everything. I have selected custom message, so I will be adding my message as please join the meeting as soon as possible. Now if after writing the message, if I click on send, I will receive a validation error saying the selected partner does not have a mobile number. So for that we need to add our mobile number in here. So we will come to the contacts and we will add our mobile number. Now if I again click on the smart button send SMS, you can see the mobile number will appear in here also. So I will again write my message as hello, join the meeting as soon as possible. After this, when I click on send button, again I will receive a validation error saying failed to send SMS, and that is because I haven't added my country code in before mobile number. Here add +91 and save it. Now this time we will click on send SMS. We will write our custom message as hello, join the meeting as soon as possible. Now when you click on send, you can see a SMS will be sent to Nicole Ford. So to check that, again we will go into the Twilio. Under that we will go into the SMS history, and here you can see the recipient is Nicole. This is phone number, message is this. You can see the send date and the status of the message. Now after all of this, we will go into the CRM module, and you can see all the pipeline in here. We will open any one of the pipeline. I will be selected this one, and you can see the pipeline. Now under action button you will find a menu for send SMS. Open that and you can see a wizard will open. Now you need to add a valid number. As soon as I enter my valid number, you can see the invalid is disappeared. Now enter your message. I will be adding just hello. Write hello. Now click on send SMS. Now we will go into the Twilio again, and under Twilio SMS we will find SMS history, and in here you can see the recipient, phone number, message, sent date and the status. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.